More clarity now to Startower KYC. So the video we sent yesterday, we actually talked about the KYC, that's the node setup. So you can check the video on our channel if you are here to actually complete that. Now this is actually the main KYC. So regarding mining, according to them, so they've paused mining temporarily. You get the point. Then the KYC methodology have actually begun. So now we need to verify our KYC. Now for you to verify the KYC, this is the link you are going to be using. So you can see this link is a link to the main KYC. Now there is a little challenge in the KYC. Earlier today, when the link was actually released, even this website was not opening, but the website is now opening. And that issue that people are actually facing now is that when they click on login, when you enter your email, this username, you enter your email, then your password, the password for your Startower account. So this is the error message you are going to, or likely going to see, or if you have actually been facing this problem, you are not alone. It's a general issue. I think a lot of people actually going to the website and the website can't cope with the load, or they are still working. They've not perfected the work on the website. So this is the error message you may likely see. And if you didn't see the error message, I will say congratulations to you. And for those of you who are able to log in into the KYC portal, this is the form you are going to fill, and this is what you are going to put there. So this, after logging into your account, so this is the page that is going to actually pop up. You are going to see your account balance here. Then here, the Startower address. This Startower address is the one you created either on your MetaMask, on your OKX, or anything you might actually be doing. Let me show you example. So this is how to actually copy your MetaMask wallet address. If you come here, just tap on the MetaMask you've actually network you've actually installed or added to your OKX or MetaMask or any wallet you are using. Just click on receive. They are going to see the wallet address, and the wallet address we check is the same thing as your Ethereum wallet address. It's the same thing. So we're going to go now. Then you come here, then you paste it. So now you are going to enter, say, follow Startower official X account. So the account you actually use to follow their something, you are going to copy it, you are going to paste it here. You understand? So if you are using one particular S account to follow them on something, you are going to copy that account, that the username of that account, you are going to copy and put it here. Then your Discord username, you could just put at, then you're going to put it here. You get the point. Then the username you use to join the Telegram. Then when you're done, you click on submit. After submission, you're going to wait for approval. So you wait until your KYC is actually approved. So I believe before the end of the day, today the website will be more stable, so that for those of you who are here to log in, you'll be able to log in. You get the point. So then more importantly, check the link in the description of this video. Join my Telegram channel and my S account. We have a large community that we interact with one another, people of like mind, where you can interact, ask questions, and you see people in the community that will help you. And one of our admin may actually provide assistance. You get the point. So see you at the top.